going to show you my Minnie Marvelous Microwave set. In my microwave, I can make s'mores, oatmeal, and popcorn. And it says here that Minnie talks with you while you cook. Hey, that's me. Now I just have to get this thing out of the box. Oh, I've got an idea. I'll use this extra sharp knife. It's not working. I have another idea. I'll use this piece of licorice to light a string of dynamite and blow it out of the box. Oh, a hot dog! It really worked! Look at all my delicious treats! I don't know what to microwave first. Maybe the s'mores, because it has a cute marshmallow shaped like my love, Mickey Mouse. Now to make Minnie's famous s'mores, you need graham cracker, chocolate, a lovely Mickey Mouse shaped marshmallow. Oh, come on, get on there. And more graham cracker. And then I just have to pop it in my special Minnie Mouse microwave. I hope it turns out I don't microwave s'mores too often. Okay, let's see. Now how do I work this thing? Should I press the s'more button? The pretzel button? Oh, hi Minnie. I'm talking to Minnie here. This is weird. You know what? I think I probably should press the s'more button for s'mores. It is fun! Now all I have to do is press the Mickey Mouse shape, which I think is start. Uh-oh, what's going on with my s'more? It's ready. It slipped off the plate a little bit though. Oh dear, I hope my s'more's okay. I'm much better at making bows than s'mores in the microwave. And, oh, it looks pretty tasty. I guess I'll try. Delicious. Microwave food is always the tastiest. And, oh boy, I have really enjoyed this s'more. Is my face a little dirty? Do I have chocolate in my teeth? I think I do. I better clean up, and then we can make another fun treat. Now, one thing I love about the microwave is when it's on, the turntable really spins, and the microwave light turns on. See? How fun! Okay, I'm back and much cleaner. Now what should we eat? I'm pretty full off that s'more, but I still want to cook more food in my microwave. Be a good house mouse. Popcorn, pretzel, or oatmeal. I feel a little weird eating oatmeal for dinner. So, maybe popcorn. Popcorn is super easy to cook in the microwave. All you have to do is drop it in, then slam the door. Yay, I did it! I'm a strong mouse. And then I'm gonna hit the popcorn button. I think this one's popcorn. Me too! Can you cook my popcorn? Oh, I gotta press start. Oh, come on, I can't wait. Where's my popcorn? Oh, it does smell good, just like butter. Can you smell that, kids? So delish. her voice. Let's see if it's better than mine. Let's press this button.
I love making healthy snacks.
Me too. Let's see what else she has to say.
Cooking together is so much fun.
It is fun. Okay, I can't wait. I gotta eat the popcorn. Now how to open this popcorn? That didn't work. You know what? I think I have another excellent idea. Okay, now to open up this popcorn, I'm just going to make another explosion. Alrighty here, and one, and two, and three. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Now that did not work at all. Now I'm all dirty and sooty, and the popcorn bag is still closed. Well, if you all enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe. And also in the comments, let me know what your favorite microwave treat is. Bye-bye! Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.